Anatomy and Physiology of Human Body. Your body is doing something remarkable right now, even as you watch this. Billions of cells are dividing. Electrical signals are firing through your nervous system. Your immune system is working silently to protect you. But how does it all actually work? In this course on Anatomy and Physiology of the Human Body, you will explore every major system, from the chemistry inside your cells to your skeletal and muscular structure, all the way to the brain, the senses, and beyond. You will study how your heart pumps blood, how your lungs pull in oxygen, how your digestive system fuels you, and how your reproductive systems work across 26 focused modules. Whether you are building a career in healthcare, deepening your scientific knowledge, or simply curious about the most complex machine in existence, this course gives you a clear, structured, and thorough understanding. Enroll today and earn a recognized certificate. Also, start understanding the body that carries